Number 1. 1962 Ford Falcon. Priced at $3,300. The car has already swapped a 302 AOD using a Mustang 8-inch rear end, Edelbrock carburetor and intake, and Flowmaster exhaust. All major work has been completed, but there's still an oil leak. Offer: your attractive car that doesn't need work. Recent repairs include tires, wheels, brake shoes, wheel cylinders all around, new brake lines, master cylinder, front shocks, springs, ball joints, sway bar links, rear leaf springs, fuel tank sending unit, 2.25-inch dual Flowmaster exhaust, steering and engine mounts. This Falcon project has seen significant updates, making it nearly road-ready. With a competitive price, it's a great opportunity for Falcon car enthusiasts looking to finish a project or own a unique, powerful ride. Number 2. 1975 Mercury Cougar XR7. Priced at $8,500. It features a 300 F1W engine, non-numbers matching, currently insured, registered, and drivable. Work done since 2020 includes new tires, aluminum radiator, new battery, starter solenoid, distributor, coil, cables, spark plugs, speedo cable, rear flasher module, ignition key set, door key replacement, exhaust chrome, oil pan, crank bearing check, fuel pump, new front shocks, fuel tank, timing chain and sprocket, front shoulder belts, carburetor rebuild, front disc brakes, rear drums, chrome export bar installation, new carpet, custom XR7 floor carpet, new horn, steering wheel. Many new parts from this car: right all-flasher relay, power steering pump, hydraulic cylinder, 90% steering and suspension linkage, alignment, brake lines, engine bay hook, front vacuum motor, headlamp cover, antifreeze overflow reservoir, new engine bay springs, new side mirror glass, kill switch, new heater core, transmission rebuild, and new torque converter, 2024. Old paint needs stereo. Number 3. 1970 Pontiac Catalina. Priced at $9,000. An original car without modifications. The paint is old and faded, but still looks cool. A rare two-door model produced in the factory, surviving with a good trunk condition and well-maintained interior. Needs some cleaning under the hood. Powered by a 350 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission, all matching factory numbers. Recent replacements: battery, trunk carpet, package tray, Y-pipe exhaust, and front headlight switch. Also included are new valve covers and engine bay insulation. Bought from a family that owned it for 53 years. Must be seen in person to appreciate the true value of this car. Clean and well-maintained, very affordable for a current two-door model. Number 4. 1969 Ford Torino GT Convertible. Priced at $10,000. This is a rare Q-code car, only 1,600 produced. Originally equipped with a 351 Cleveland Cobra jet engine and 4-speed transmission, now replaced with a 351 Windsor engine, Edelbrock aluminum intake, 4-barrel carburetor, headers, and AC4 automatic transmission. Condition: mechanically in very good shape with a new MVI, solid floors, trunk, and a sturdy frame with minimal rust. The body is solid and reparable. Replaced parts over the past few years: battery, carburetor, oil pan gasket, high torque starter, transmission flywheel and torque, new brakes, and much more. Looks great for driving. Although there are some cosmetic issues on the body, with a little work this car could become a rare and valuable collection piece. Number 5. 1973 Dodge Challenger. Priced at $10,000. Are you interested in trading for a new Challenger or Camaro? This car has a 340 engine and a 4-speed pistol grip transmission. Status: a solid project that needs restoration, 99% complete, with additional fiberglass fenders and a 1970 Challenger grille. While the frame rails are in good condition, the car's floors need repair. Who's ready to restore a classic car? This is a solution for you if interested. Check the description below this video. Number 6: 1965 Pontiac Catalina Ventura. Priced at $38,995. An original American car, 4-door hardtop, not a show car, just for cruising, but in decent condition for its year. Although not perfect, this Pontiac was restored a few years ago and equipped with a 389 big block engine. Highlights: the interior is nice, and the engine runs well. New drum brakes were installed last year. Dual exhaust was installed 2 years ago. Note: the owner does not accept trades. If we pay attention, this is a good choice for strong performance and leisurely driving. Number 7: 1972 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Priced at $10,000. With low mileage, this car features leather interior, power steering strut tower, power seats, and power windows. Accident-free and available through an AMVIC licensed dealer. Bonus: financing options also available to suit your preferences. This is the best choice for those seeking comfort and luxury in a classic car with low mileage. Number 8: 1975 Chrysler Cordoba. Priced at $10,000. In very good condition, it has a 360 engine with hooker headers, dual exhaust, and Flowmaster Series 40. Column automatic transmission, 727, with 40,000 miles. Runs well and was evaluated in 2021. Specs: good inner tires, 15x8 rally wheels with rear 275 and front 255 tires, semi-gloss black paint. This sturdy car has no rust. Note: price negotiable. Also equipped with original and well-maintained interior, adding to its appeal for collectors. Number 9: 1961 Oldsmobile 98 Sport Sedan. Priced at $9,500. Powered by a well-running 455 rocket engine. Very clean condition. This 2-door model has 165,000 kilometers and is claimed to have a great assessment. Condition: very solid body and clean interior. Floors and frame also in very good condition. Equipped with 4 good tires, water pump, radiator, master brake cylinder, and a new battery. Ready to use and register, with no concerns to worry about. Number 10: 1967 Plymouth Valiant Signet. Priced at $15,000. Slant 6 motor in very good condition for its year, with a solid bottom and frame. The car runs and functions well. Status: purchased last year and stored in a garage. Needs minor repairs to pass inspection. Feature: wheels have a distinctive spoke design, a good time for collectors looking to own an American classic with a little extra effort. Number 11: 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Priced at $30,500. Running and already licensed. Equipped with a 230L inline, 6 engine and Powerglide 2-speed automatic transmission. Performance: engine starts easily and works well. Seats have been reupholstered. Also equipped with spare side mirrors, wheel covers, and uninstalled gauges. Body condition: some rust on several spots on the fenders, but the car's frame is in good condition. New parts include rear window repair, fuel tank, fuel sender unit, voltage regulator, control arms, master brake cylinder, and reupholstered seats. Suitable for classic car enthusiasts looking to restore a strong foundation. Number 12: 1968 Mercury Montego MX. Priced at $4,000. Powered by a 302 automatic engine, recently tuned up with a new carburetor and fuel pump. Included new carpets and a new headliner, both not yet installed. Brakes: replaced 2 years ago, including a new emergency brake cable, not yet installed. Condition: runs and functions well with 100,000 miles. All engine and transmission components are original. Has dual exhaust and is registered as an antique car. Reason for selling: Owner lost interest and needs storage space. Ready for more attention. Number 13:1973 Plymouth Gold Duster. Priced at $8,500. It has Duster side emblems. Not sure if it's a special package or not. Runs and works well. Engine. Powered by a 318 two-barrel engine and automatic transmission. New. Windshield shield. Has some rust that can be fixed with time and patience. Interior. White seats from an Aspen, but the original plaid bucket seats are included, although worn. Bonus. Comes with a 1979 Dodge Aspen for parts, offering 2 cars at once. He hopes the white one sells first. Summary. An interesting restoration project with great potential for classic car enthusiasts. Number 14:1994 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible. Priced at $5,500. Slightly modified 350 rocket engine equipped with dual exhaust with headers, Edelbrock manifold, and 4-barrel carburetor. Also includes an electric fuel pump and automatic transmission. Interior. Original black leather in very good condition. Top. New convertible top. Body. Well maintained without rust. Only needs minor repairs and repainting. Extras. Additional set of rally wheels and extra parts. All marker lights and chrome are stored in the trunk. Mileage. 100,000 miles. Always parked in the garage. Number 15. 1969 Chevrolet El Camino. Priced at $11,900. Attractive to classic car enthusiasts. Features a 350 Ci engine upgraded with Edelbrock components to enhance performance. Mileage. Only 100,000 original miles. Stored in a garage for over 40 years. Offers a rare combo of authenticity and good maintenance. Condition. Some rust under the box panel, but the floor, doors, rockers, and fenders are in very good condition, indicating careful maintenance. Number 16. 1974 Chrysler New Yorker. Priced at $7,000. Special edition with 82,000 original miles, 4-door hardtop with a vinyl roof, almost rust-free as it has always been undercoat. Engine. Original 6.6 L 400 big block engine. Features. Original interior, original engine, and original vinyl roof. Recent work. New 2-year MVI. New exhaust, not too loud, has a nice rumble. New gas tank. New carburetor. New tires. New radiator cap. Condition. Looks like new underneath. Downside. Sun damage on the hood and trunk paint. Needs a bit of touch-up. Overall, a rare opportunity to own a classic car that's road-ready. Number 17. 1963 Oldsmobile 98. Priced at $7,200. Rat-style exterior, mostly good condition interior, though the interior roof is missing. Installed. New carpet. GT Grant steering wheel. New Edelbrock AVS2 carburetor. New oil pump. Replaced engine gasket. Drivetrain, automatic transmission, electric fuel pump, aluminum radiator with electric fan. Extras. New wheels and tires. Note, open to exchange with other old cars or Kawasaki Concours-style motorcycles, with added cash if needed. Number 18. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. Priced at $12,500. With a 5.8 L V8 engine and automatic transmission, this is a stunning original car, one owner since new in 1977. Owner, in his 80s, still uses it for daily shopping. Maintenance. Engine and gearbox are original, well-maintained. Serviced every 10,000 kilometers. Starts with a single click. Always stored in a covered place. Mileage. 190,000 kilometers. Features. Original logbook and manual. Good tires. Sony Bluetooth radio. AC. Power steering. Power windows. Notes. Some rust spots, but overall very reliable and good-looking. Number 19. 1973 Buick LeSabre Custom. Priced at $4,800. With 60,000 miles, the 350 engine runs very well. TH350 transmission in excellent condition. Modifications. Only the muffler has been replaced. Notes. Passenger side mirror is available in the car. Slight valve cover leak. Overall, very sturdy and no major issues considering its 50-year-old age. Needs to pass inspection. Open for car exchange. Number 20. 1973 Chevrolet Vega. Priced at $4,600. Mileage 1,000 kilometers on a newly bored 30/350 engine with a mild cam. Upgrades. New Edelbrock carburetor. Hooker headers. Manual steering and brakes. Automatic transmission, possibly turbo 350. Rear differential. Ford 9-inch with 4.11 ratio and mini spool. Paint, repainted by previous owner. Clear coat is peeling in some spots. Some surface rust on the hatch. To fix, cracked front windshield and rear tires. Overall, very sturdy and fun to drive, just not used often enough.